Next, on a similar line, we have a concept of variance. Remember, we saw that your expected value was 6.2, but sometimes you are getting 5, sometimes you are getting 8. That means your outcomes are varying around the mean. Remember, in the reading 1 of descriptive statistics, we saw that if this is your mean, okay, this is your mean, and then you have the values, it means that it is away from the mean, that is you are exposed to variance. Okay, so even in this context we have the variance. So what is the variance? Here the variance of a random variable, it is a probability weighted average of the square deviation from the expected value. Okay, so from the expected value you have the deviation, that is 5 minus 6.2. okay, you have the square deviation, and then you multiply with this probability. Okay, and then you have the square deviation, that is your 8 minus x minus 2. Okay, and then you multiply with the probability of 8. If you add these two, you will get the variance. So let us see the equation of the variance. We are saying that variance of x, denoted as sigma square of x, it will be x1 minus ex whole square. X1 minus ex is your deviation, and this is your whole square. Okay, multiplied with the probability of x1. Note that this has to be multiplied with the probability of x1, plus x2 minus ex whole square into the probability of x2 till you have n. So in our case of the throw of the coin, we had 5 was coming with a probability of 0.6, 8 was coming with a probability of 0.4, and we had the average value of 6.2. So your variance will be 0.6 into 5 minus 6.2 whole square plus 0.4 into 8 minus 6.2 whole square. Note that just like your variance there in the descriptive statistics, here your variance is also, here also it will be positive. Right? It will be same value, it will be equal to 0 only if your expected value is, or all the values are equal to your expected value. Otherwise there will be some variance. So this is your formula of the variance, probability weighted deviation square. That is how you will get the variance.